Ever stared at a check, that little slip of paper representing hard-earned cash, and thought, there's gotta be an easier way? I mean, in today's world, we order groceries with a tap, stream movies on demand, and even control our homes with our voices. But depositing a check? That often still involves a trip to the bank, waiting in line, and, let's be honest, a bit of precious time wasted. Or maybe you're juggling a million things, like most of us. You're running between meetings, picking up kids, and trying to squeeze in a workout. Finding a spare hour to visit the bank? Practically a mythical quest. What if I told you there's a way to turn that check into usable funds without ever leaving your couch? Or your office? Or, heck, even the grocery store parking lot? We're talking about a banking superpower that's hiding in plain sight, right on your smartphone. It's called mobile deposit, and today, we're diving deep into what it is, specifically focusing on TD Bank's mobile deposit feature. So, what exactly is TD Mobile Deposit? Simply put, it's a feature within the TD Bank app that allows you to deposit checks directly into your checking or savings account using your smartphone's camera. Forget those bank lines. Here's how it works. You open the TD app, navigate to the deposit section, and snap photos of the front and back of your endorsed check. The app then processes the images, and the funds are deposited into your account. It's that simple. But it's not just about convenience. Think about the added security. You're not carrying checks around, risking them getting lost or stolen. Plus, you get instant confirmation that your deposit went through. Now, you might be wondering, are there any limits? Good question. TD Bank, like most financial institutions, does have limits on the amount you can deposit via mobile deposit. These limits can vary depending on your account history and other factors. It's always best to check the TD Bank app or contact customer service for your specific limits. And what about the check itself? It's crucial to endorse it correctly. Usually, this involves signing your name on the back in writing for mobile deposit only. This ensures the check is processed correctly and reduces the risk of fraud. Let's address a common concern. Is it safe? TD Bank employs robust security measures to protect your information and transactions. The app uses encryption and other technologies to safeguard your data, ensuring your mobile deposits are secure. Think of it this way. You're essentially turning your smartphone into a mini bank branch. You can deposit checks anytime, anywhere, and track your transactions all within the app. It's about empowering you to manage your finances on your own terms. So, the next time you're holding a check, remember you don't have to rush to the bank. You have a powerful tool right in your pocket. A tool that can save you time, enhance your security, and simplify your banking experience. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.